So on this problem, what I'd like you guys to do is, again, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to multiply, right? But as you guys notice here now, we have our terms that are separated by addition or subtraction. So our rules of exponents are not going to be in use as much. Does anybody remember what kind of topic did we talk about when we now have terms that are separated by addition or subtraction? There's something that we now have to do, and it starts with an F. Factoring, right? So the first thing I want you guys to do, last class period, what we practiced was simplifying a rational expression by factoring. So when we apply operations, when we do multiply, divide, so forth, the first thing we want to do is simplify, simplify, simplify. All right? So just look at every single, what I would like you guys to do is just look at every single thing separately. Can I factor anything out of 2x squared minus 10? Do these terms share any number or variable that you can divide out? No. What about a 2, right? So you can divide out a 2. If you divide out a 2, you're left with x squared minus 5. Would everybody agree with me? That is the same thing as that, except this is now written as a product. Can I divide anything for x plus 1? No. OK. So we're done with that. All right? Now, let's try x minus 4. All right? And can I factor anything with x minus 4? No. OK. So I'll leave that there. And then what about for 4x squared minus 20? 4. When I factor out a 4, I'm left with an x squared minus 5. Now, this is where it kind of gets confusing. If you guys remember, when we had like something like this, x plus 3 divided by 3, you can't cancel across addition and subtraction. All right? You can't divide this just into 1. However, across multiplication, if you guys notice here, these are all multiplied together. Every single one of these terms is all multiplied together. So across multiplication, you can see that these are the same thing being divided. These are the same expressions, correct? So guess what? These expressions divide to 1. And then 2/4, we can rewrite that as what? 1/2. So my final answer is x minus 4, which is really 1 times x minus 4, times 2x plus 1. Because that goes to 1/2. And so you're left with that. All right? So basically, when you're multiplying them, you're just bringing everything kind of together.